I am so excited. Justin Rhodes, suck on that because once again, in this one-sided competition that we have about growing the biggest chickens in the shortest amount of time, we are winning. Hey, do you like chickens? How about chicken pot pie? How about chicken nuggets?
Chicken train, running all day. Chicken train, running all day. Chicken train, running all day. Can't get on, can't get off. Chicken train, take the chickens away.
Hey everybody, Wyoming James checking in day number 50, day number 50 from the Urban Micro Farm. So today is the big day. This afternoon we are going to weigh some birds. We're going to see what they're tipping the scales at, see where we're at versus last year at day 50. And then, so I mean, we are literally 8 or 9 days away, 8 and 9 days away from butchering these birds. Like, we are so close to butcher date for this first batch. Don't tell them, because they don't know what's coming. They think that they're gonna live out their years right here on the pasture, but sorry, birds, not feasible. So anyway, we are out here doing the chicken farming thing. Our friend Powder River Mandarin is back here filling the waters. I gotta tell you, she is such a trooper. She could be home sleeping right now. She literally just walked through the door and from her night shift, and we hopped in the Powder River Mandarin family truckster and headed out here. She could be sleeping right now, but she's out here taking care of her chicken birds. So we're gonna get everybody situated here, and we will check in with you this afternoon when we will be weighing birds. Stand by. Okay, we have made it back out to the pasture on day number 50, and it is hot. The family truckster says 92 degrees and rising. I mean, it's warm out today. I don't know how much warmer it's going to get. Maybe we'll get a little break on this cloud right here when it comes under. So the birds are a little reluctant to come rushing out today. So if you remember, I promised you that we were going to weigh some birds, and after a little bit of searching, we found the scale, and we are going to try to get these birds weighed. Man, it is just so hot. I'm not built for this. I'm too hairy for this warmer weather. And of course, Mandy's in her emo phase. And so, because she's in her emo phase, she's only wearing black. So, yeah, she's not going to do well out here on the pasture either. So, let's check on our bird friends, see how they're doing. Now, my goal soon, here in the next couple of days, is to try to figure out how to increase our water supply. Because every time we come out here, these things are empty. And I'm afraid these birds are going without water too much. So, I think I have a plan where we're going to double up these buckets, use some physics to help us, but I got to work on that. I got to get that figured out. So, and also it would be nice to find the nipples, the water nipples that we know that we have. We just haven't been able to locate them so far this year. So we're going to do that. Looks like Mandy has our bird friends almost completely out of the tractor. So we'll get these birds out of here. We'll get the tractors moved, and we will check back in with you when it's time to weigh birds. Stand by. All right, so we have a really small bird from the farthest west tractor. Here, hold it up so I can get an idea for the size. Okay, great. Now let's take her down there and £4 7 ounces I'm going to go with on that one. So smallish bird. All right, so this is a bigger one, thicker legged bird. This is, yeah, look at the size of the feet on him. This is a big bird. Let's see what that one. Scoot that whole thing over to the 6 pounds, 3 ounces.
Somewhere in there.
Yeah, 6 pounds. I'm gonna go 6 pounds, 3 ounces. That's a 6 pound bird right there.
Kind of a little bit on the upper.
Medium to large bird right here. Hold that one up. Let's see it. Okay, good. Let's see what that one weighs. 5'10".
Yeah, that's what's up.
Yep. All right, so we got a big cockerel here. Man, he can barely hang on to him. Big feet, big bird.
What? We're good? Come on, buddy.
Okay, we're good now. £6. I'm gonna call it 6 pounds 5 ounces. It keeps going from 3 to 6. 6 pounds 5 ounces. That's what I'm gonna go with that.
Oh, buddy. I know. Here's kind of a smaller hen.
Okay, we've got a smaller hen in the center tractor. Let's hold her up, see what she looks like. Okay, yep, a little bit smaller. 5 pounds. I'm gonna call it 5 pounds even.
I'd say so.
Yep, 5 pound bird.
It's kind of about. Hang on, buddy.
Let's see that one.
He's pretty hardy.
Okay,
Feels heavy.
bigger bird.
Ooh.
6 pounds 15, 6 pounds.
Yeah, buddy. Hold on. He's on the
6 pounds 15 ounces. I'm going with that one.
Yeah, he's real close to 7.
So he's basically a couple of ounces from being a 7 pound bird. Here, let's look at him. He is a big old boy. So that's almost a 7 pound bird. That's awesome.
I'd say this one's pretty average.
Okay, so we have an average sized bird from that center tractor. So yep, that one looks considerably smaller than the last one. Five pounds 7 ounces. So
Nice.
5.5 pound bird. And that's a pretty, it's okay. That's a pretty average bird.
Yeah, I'd say that's pretty average for that middle tractor.
Okay. All right, so we've moved on to the farthest east tractor, and this is the smallest bird that we could find out of that farthest east tractor. So let's put this one in the bucket and see what it looks like.
Right on, almost 5.
Almost a 5 pound bird. So our smallest bird in that tractor. And would you agree that that's the smallest bird that we have right there?
I'd say so.
I think as we have these birds out and we're moving them around, I think the smallest birds are in that east tractor, and I don't know why, but so that's just shy, just a couple ounces again, shy of a 5 pound bird at day 50. So, all right, so Mandy's saying this is a fairly average size bird that she's plucked out of that tractor, and then she picks it up and she's like, wait, it's heavy. So look at the size of the feet on this thing, but they're all similar in size. So go ahead and throw that one in there. £6 pounds 9 ounces. So 6.5 pound bird. All right, so average size female here. 6 pounds even. Seriously, 6 pounds. All right, great.
Nice.
All right, we're gonna have to do just one more big one because we're running out of battery. All right, so this is a large bird, right? Large bird in the east tractor. Go ahead and throw him on there and see what we got. Big old cockerel.
Stay.
Whoa. £7, 1 ounce. I'm going 7-1.
Yeah.
All right, that's great. Hold him up. I think that's our biggest bird, right? Biggest bird she cannot. Hold him up. Look at the size of that sucker. What a monster. Okay, hey, that's great. So we are, that's it for us. We're going to shake loose. I am so excited. Justin Rhodes, suck on that because, because once again, in this one-sided competition that we have about growing the biggest chickens in the shortest amount of time, we are winning. So somebody please tell him that we're winning. No, have a lot of respect, a lot of admiration for Justin Rhodes, and I don't mean any disrespect, it's all in fun. Like I said, aside from meeting me once in Cheyenne, Wyoming, meeting Mandy and I once in Cheyenne, Wyoming, he doesn't even know we exist. But the nice thing is we...
Stickers on our mugs.
Yeah, we have his stickers on our travel mugs. So, but yeah, so we have a lot of respect for him. He is... A lot of the things that we do on the Urban Micro Farm, we learn from watching him. But I got to tell you, I'm so excited. Here we are at 6,000 feet. We are growing big, healthy birds that they say can't be grown at this elevation, and we're doing it 100% naturally. And I am so excited. So that's it for day 50. We will see you again tomorrow morning, first thing tomorrow morning, day number 51 on the Urban Micro Farm. Adios.
Chicken train running all day, I can't get on.